Okay, so good day everyone. I will explaining my set C, which is the polymorphism. So in this case, we have this scenario of IT Day 2026 has different ticket category: student pass, VIP pass, and the sponsor pass. Each ticket computes price differently, but the system should call the same method's name, like get price regardless of ticket type. Polymorphism allow the same method's name to behave differently depending on the objective. So ang first task requirements sa set C, which is to create a parent class na the name is ticket. Then inside of the parent class, we have the attributes of holder name and the function of methods, which is the get price nga. Ang default base price niya is 100. So ang una nang button dre is create a parent class nga ang pangalan is ticket. Now inside of it, we construct underscore init underscore nga na ay attribute nga holder name underscore name self dot holder underscore name is equal to holder name. And then sunod ana is another function na pod nga na ay function name nga get price. Then the return value niya is 100, which is the default basic price niya. So ubos, create another function ng pangalan get underscore price, and then return ta yung base default price, which is 100. Return 100. Next is ang child class. So dere we use override get price. So first is student ticket. Now inside sa student ticket, yung price is equal to 50. Next, create another class, which is atong child class is student and ticket. Student ticket, open parenthesis, we inherit our parent class. Yung suludan ni return diff get price, and then sa get price mo return ta og 50. Next is a VIP ticket. Create another class which is child class VIP ticket. And then the get price self return, let's just say 200 plus 30. Next is last nga child class, which is the class nga sponsor ticket. Class sponsor ticket. Then sulod sa sponsor ticket, mas paid na siya. So return value niya is 0. Get. So gawa gyapon ta construct the get price, and then return niya is value. Okay, so ang sunod na to buhaton is to required function. So dire na masulod ang polymorphism demonstration. So first thing we need to do is write a function niya. Ang function name niya is print underscore receive, and inside of the parameter, which is the ticket underscore object that prints. So let's create muna ng function ng pangalan is print underscore receive. And inside sa parameter, which is we have the ticket underscore object. Now, inside sa aning function is natay holder name, ticket type, and then the price to get the price. Holder name, print muna tayo ng ito muna, dash times 30. And then print atong holder name, just say holder name, and then comma the ticket object, ticket. So diri na mo sulod ang polymorphism na to. Ticket object dot holder underscore name, then different na to ang ticket type niya. Ticket print ticket type. type, and then ticket object, ticket type. Pero atong buhaton is maglagay daw ta og class name, ticket object. So underscore underscore class underscore underscore dot underscore underscore name. Then same lang gyapon siya sa last, which is the ticket object, pero get price na atong ibutang. Then let's just add some space. So nanong gibuhat nako ni. Now kung una-una to ganiya is we create tulo ka child class, which is the regular student, the VIP ticket, and isa sa sponsored ticket. Now, imbes nga mangutana ta kung regular ka, pila imong bayad, kung VIP ka, pila imong bayaran, or and then sa kung sponsored ka, na ba kay bayad or wala. Na kung inganaon na to mano-mano, which is hassle. So instead, miingon na lang ta nga kung mubayad sila, bayad na lang tanan by using the get price nga function. Now, bisan kung unsa nimong sugo or maski unsa nimong tawag nga bayad sila, matag isa sa ila kabalo na unsay buhaton based sa ilang class. So ang regular mo atag og 50, then sa VIP 200, and then sa sponsor ticket which is wala. So mo na ang purpose sa atong polymorphism, which is dagan siya faces pero lahi-lahi gyapon siya og function. Okay, next buhaton is create a list of mixed ticket objects and i-loop silang tanan. So katong tanan nga gihimo nato nga child class is i-mix nato sila. So pangalan nato tickets is equal to open bracket, and then una nga class which is student tickets. So let's just name ako Marnie Bitanyo. So pagkasunod is katong VIP ticket, ino nato Pedro. Then sa last is si kinsa tong last, si sponsor ticket, is sponsor ticket, Ihuyo Corporation. Ino na nato nana. Now ang last na po di pangayo diri is i-loop silang tanan nga kato atong gi-create nga mixed ticket. Then pag gumagloop, i-call, tawagon nato si print receipt nga function kada isa sa ilahang tanan. So for ticket, for in tickets, then mag-print, tawagon nato to si print underscore receipt ticket. Gan. Now pagpara nato ani, mao na ni siya ang nigawas. So ang una natong gipangayo diri, which is the holder name nga ipangalan man nato Marnie Bitanyo, mao na siya nigawas. Same lang gyapon ni siya sa ticket type and then the ticket price. Now gilop nato to tanan tong gimix nga mix nga object, which is we call tickets. So giisa-isa na sila tanan, kunya mao na di iyang kinalabasan. We have the Marnie Bitanyo, Pedro, kunya kaning last is ang Mihoyo Corporation. So that's all. Mao na ang akong polymorphism solution nako sa set C.